You know, Carl, I just can't come up with something for my summer market update video. I just can't get a message. I mean, I feel like a broken record. I just keep saying the same things over and over again. It's a seller's market. It's hyper competitive. Blah blah blah.
Why don't you just sleep on it, Tim? I'm sure you'll come up with something.
Yeah, you're probably right. Man, I sure hope something comes to me tonight. Who the heck are you?
I am the ghost of markets past.
Like the ghost of Christmas past in A Christmas Carol?
Yes, sort of like that.
But it's June.
June is when a lot of those people who bought a house in the spring are going to close. So June is sort of like Christmas for real estate.
Okay.
I am here with a couple of my friends to deliver a message to you about the market tonight, starting with a look back at the market past.
Hey, look, the last couple of years ain't been so great. So can we do something like, say, 2-3 years ago?
I am here to deliver the message I've been sent to deliver.
Oh boy. Hi, Gail. It's Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker. How are you? Good. I'm calling because I just got off the phone with the listing agent for that house in Clifton on Garibrand Road. Yep, they had 33 offers, and the seller's countering everyone at $60,000 above asking.
Seriously? Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I know, but that's the market right now. Well, it can't be like this forever. I'm sure it'll get better soon. Wow, where'd this come from? Man, that was weird. I need to lay off the caffeine or something. Let me guess. The ghost of Mark is present? Well, you ain't as dumb as you look. Jeez. Well, look, I'm pretty well aware what the market is doing right now. I don't need any reminders. All right, wise guy. I'm here to deliver the message I'm here to deliver. Well, if you have to. Yeah, I have to. Hello, Mark. It's Tim Tyler from Coldwell Banker. Hi, yeah, that's what I wanted to talk to you about. That house that we were going to see this afternoon in Springfield. Yeah, the agent just called me and said they accepted an offer this morning and they canceled the showing.
Oh, not again.
Yes, I know. It's still very competitive out there. They can't stay like this forever. I'm sure we'll find something soon. Wow. Man, was that weird. Man, I tell you, I gotta stop eating spicy food for dinner or something. Well, either it's the ghost of Marcus' future, or you're a reject from the Daft Punk auditions. And I suppose you want to show me what markets are going to be like in the future. Well, maybe at least this time I'll get lucky. Hey Mark, hey Gail.
Hi, Tim.
Yeah, I just got off a video chat with the agent for the house in Parsippany, and she told me that... Oh, come on, really? Man, I do hope I get some sleep tonight.
Whoa. Tim, what happened to you?
Hardly slept last night.
Really?
I had this really strange dream.
Okay.
I was visited by 3 ghosts.
3 ghosts.
Yeah. First one said he was the ghost of Marcus' past.
The market's fast, huh?
Yeah. Strange dude, looked like Bagger Vance with a face mask.
Mm.
Anyway, he was reminding me of the market back in last summer when everything was going dozens of offers, crazy were asking.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember that market. It was very interesting, to say the least.
And then there was the second ghost, calling himself the ghost of Marcus Present.
Marcus Preston.
Sounded really like Joe Pesci.
Joe Pesci.
Anyway, he reminded me of a house that I tried to show just last week, and it went off the market before I could even get my client in to see it.
Oh wow, that's crazy. That's very crazy. I had something similar where I literally just sent in the showing request, and then it said we accepted an offer. So I understand completely.
That's this market, yeah.
Yeah.
Then came the third one. He was really weird.
Mhm.
Yeah, it looked like a reject from a Daft Punk.
Yeah, that's what. Really.
Yeah. He was supposed to show me the markets in the future,
Mhm.
and I woke up before I could see what it was going to be like.
Oh man, I wish you would have seen it so then you could have told me.
Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? To me, it seems like the market's maybe changing just a little bit.
It changed a little bit. It looks as though we were still expecting a lot of competition, but maybe the prices aren't going to rise as rapidly as they did before.
Yeah, I just have to find some kind of an interesting way to say that. I don't know.
So, do you think you got the message?
I don't know, maybe.